What if I tell you that there is a niche with literally zero competition, and if you start creating videos on this niche right now, through the method I will teach you, that can literally blow your growth on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok? The niche I am talking about is named Futuristic Post-Apocalyptic World Stories. Before deciding anything, check out a sample video.
In the world of 2087, where the skies now hung heavy with toxic fumes, and the earth trembled beneath the weight of nuclear devastation, a lone survivor, Maya, emerged from the ruins of a once thriving city. She dragged herself through the streets, the remnants of humanity hold tightly to life in scattered enclaves, fighting for scraps of food and shelter in a world where the very air was poisoned. Maya's own existence was a constant struggle, her days spent finding supplies and avoiding the roving gangs of marauders who preyed on the weak. Yet, amidst the devastation, a glimmer of light flickered within her, a determination to rebuild and reclaim the world from the ashes of the past.
You can create these types of videos in literally 30 minutes, and they are so easy to make. First of all, we need to give our channel a name, and you can do that in a few seconds. I will simply ask ChatGPT to provide me few unique YouTube channel names on this niche Futuristic Post-Apocalyptic World Stories, and from these names you can simply select the one you like. Then for channel logo, what I do is I simply search for the image I like according to my niche, and when I find the image that interests me, I simply click on this image to image and simply generate it, and then I just download the image and use it on my channel. AI really is a gift if we know how to use it for our own benefit. For getting a good human-like script, I have tried many AI tools. I did this work for you. It literally took me hours to find a good tool for writing scripts so that you don't have to do the hard work. And the tool that I found best is Perplexity AI. It's free to use. I will simply give Perplexity AI a command for getting our story, and it will start spitting out the story. Now you can still replace a few words or lines from the script as you seem fit, and the best part besides story is you will also get 3 video ideas for your next video from here. Now we will again give Perplexity another command for getting images related to our story, and I really love this step because it literally saves me a lot of time. Now I will simply use a free text-to-speech tool, DubDub. I will simply paste my script here, and then from this pen icon you can change your voiceover character. Now from here you can select character gender, as well you can select the age of the gender, and finally from here you can also select which type of voiceover character you want, then simply choose your character, and then simply click on this play button to generate your voiceover. It will take a few seconds, and to tell you that DubDub AI provides you 10 minutes of free voiceover, and when the voiceover is ready, simply click on Export and select MP3, and then click on this option at the bottom to download the voiceover. Now for images I will use Leonardo AI, and guys, now Leonardo AI is even better than Midjourney after the update. Leonardo has literally added many new features and image models. I will simply paste my prompt here, and then simply click on presets and select concept art, then simply change the style into character sheet contrast medium, and always select generation mode into quality, then simply click on more and select 9:16, and then finally click on advanced settings and select albedo base XL image model and keep the number of images too, and then at last paste this additional prompt for best results, and then just simply generate. And finally our images are here. You can see the quality as well as the details. Simply download the images. But guys, all of this can be very difficult and time consuming for you, and chances are that you will end up making videos that no one is willing to watch. So I have an option for you where you can generate these types of videos in literally one click. Just go to Google and search for VSub, open up the website and make a free account. Then simply when you land on this interface, click on the AI video option. Then from here, simply select the image style. You can select any image style you want, and VSub will make perfect images with consistent characters. For instance, I will try this image model, then simply scroll down, and we will simply copy paste our story script here, then simply go to settings, and from here you can select 11 Labs Premium Voices for your video, and you can either make short video or long video from here, which means you can even earn good money while using this tool. Now simply come back and click on continue, and in seconds your video will be ready. Then simply click on music, and add a copyright-free background music from here, then simply click on download to download the video. Check out the final results.
In the world of 2087, where the skies now hung heavy with toxic fumes and the earth trembled beneath a weight of nuclear devastation, a lone survivor, Maya, emerged from the ruins of a once thriving city. She dragged herself through the streets, the remnants of humanity hold tightly to life in scattered enclaves, fighting for scraps of food and shelter in a world where the very air was poison. Maya's own existence was a constant struggle, her days spent finding supplies and avoiding the roving gangs of marauders who preyed on the weak. Yet amidst the devastation, a glimmer of light flickered within her, a determination to rebuild and reclaim the world from the ashes of the past.
Guys, VSub offers very decent plans where you can start using this tool from as minimum as $29, and you can also buy a one-time subscription and use the tool for lifetime without ever paying again. This offer is limited to 100 members, so you better hurry. Have a good day.